Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Alert 2 full screen. First, adjust your monitor's display resolution to a 4:3 aspect ratio, such as 1024 by 768. Next, navigate to your Red Alert 2 installation directory. Find the RAW 2 .ini file there and open it using a basic text editor like Notepad. This initial step prepares your system for optimal game display. Now, inside the RAW 2 .ini file, scroll down until you find the section labeled Video. Here, you will modify two key parameters. Change screen width to 1024 and screen height to 768. These values ensure the game renders correctly in a 4:3 aspect ratio. Remember to save the file after making these crucial adjustments. Next, locate the RAW 2 .exe file, right-click it, and choose Properties. Navigate to the Compatibility tab. Check the box to run this program in compatibility mode, and select Windows XP Service Pack 3 from the drop-down. Also, enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations and set Override High DPI Scaling Behavior to Application. These settings are vital for older games on modern operating systems. Finally, launch Red Alert 2 by double-clicking the RAW 2 .exe file. If you encounter any display problems, try running the game as an administrator. For persistent issues, explore community-made patches or unofficial fixes designed to improve compatibility on newer systems. Always ensure your graphics drivers are up to date for the best gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.